Hey everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the Panchayati Raj. For example, there is a village. This is a village named Palam. The village name is Palam. This is a very small village in the district of Palampur. District is Palampur and this village is Palam. In the Palampur district, and the state is Maghena Pradesh. चलो मगना प्रदेश या मेघना प्रदेश. Okay, Meghna Pradesh, and your country is Vitesia. Okay, your country is Vitesia. These all things, all country, state and everything is hypothetical. It means it does not exist in the real world. So we are going to only discuss right now about Palam. It is in the district of Palampur. So we know that there is a district government. District government will rule this Palampur. You know that, na? But who will rule this village? Who will govern, not rule actually, govern this village? So that is what we are going to know now. The Palam village, I'm going to just make a village that looks like a village. Yeah, this is a small village and this village is Palam. So who will take care of this village? The Panchayat of this village, not this town or the city, of this village. So Panchayat will take the care of this village. So first let's know what is Gram Panchayat. If somebody has heard Gram Panchayat, it's very good because maybe you have heard it in some series or you've heard it with your parents or something like that. So what is this Gram Panchayat term? Let me write the definition. Gram Panchayat is a meeting of all adult citizens. Okay, it is a meeting of all adult citizens of a village. It is a meeting of all adult citizens of a village. They talk about major issues of the village. So as you can see in the definition, it is a meeting of all adult citizens. So clearly the members of a Gram Panchayat are all adult citizens. So in a village, who are adults? In a village also, adult, a citizen, a person who is plus 18 or 18 plus. Okay, so somebody who whose age is, okay, let me just edit this, age is 18 plus or plus 18 is a adult. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see everything. This is a sticky note. This is a very important sticky note. This can come in your exams. So now you know what is a Gram Panchayat. You now know what is a Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat is a meeting of all adult citizens of a village. They talk about major issues of the village. And the members of the Gram Panchayat are the adults. Now you will say that this is mentioned in the definition. Yes, it is, but you will have to remember this for the rest of the chapter. I'm not going to teach you the whole chapter right now, but a part of it, of course. So now let's know what the Panchayat. Now not the Gram Panchayat, only Panchayat. So what is Panchayat? Panchayat is a committee type of which governs the village. Panchayat is a type of a committee, or you can say a government which governs the village. Okay. So now Panchayat also has two parts. Panchayat has major two parts. Major two actually a type of people. There are two type of people in a Panchayat. One is the Sarpanch. Who is the Sarpanch? The head of the Panchayat. Very simple. The head of the Panchayat is a Sarpanch. Like a head of the municipal committee is mayor. Here is Sarpanch. And the second is a punch. It doesn't mean that punch have to be 5 punches or punch. They can be in any numbers, but they are called punch. Okay, so spelling is P-A-N-C-H, not P-U-N-C-H. It is P-A-N-C-H. So we are going to now discuss how the punch and how the sarpanch gets selected. Let's know the punch first. Let's know how the punch gets selected. This is a whole new topic. Okay, how punch gets selected and all. Let's know about the wards. Okay, not this much. Okay, let's know about the wards. So suppose I have this. I'm going to just take my village, my beautiful village. The Palampur village. Okay. My beautiful Palampur village is over here. Palam village, I mean. So I'm just going to take the Palam village over there. This village is really important for you to understand. It is not in the chapter. I know it is not in the chapter, but I have got this way to make you understand how does this concept of wards happen. So now village is also divided into parts. Now comes the interesting part. Village is also divided into parts. So here are my parts. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. I have 6 parts in this village. Okay, So one of these 6 parts, or all the parts here, are known as wards. So the parts of a village that are divided are called wards. You maybe heard ward member. Now who is this person named ward member? Now the citizens of a ward, not a village, a ward. You remember now what ward is. So maybe this is my ward. I have not made a name for this, but this is my ward. This has selected a man. The population, it is 500. Population is 20 over here. Only 20. So 20 people have selected one person. Out of 20 people, we have one person who has all the citizens have selected. Now this one person is type of a representative of the whole world. Maybe this ward, I name it ward number 1. Ward number 1 has selected a person named Manoj. Manoj is the new ward member over here. So actually Manoj is the punch. Manoj is one of the punch. So Manoj is also a ward member. He is also a punch. So what do I mean? That let's have a text for this. People of the ward select one representative. People of the ward select one representative known as the ward member. He is known as the ward member or the punch. Okay, not this. Or the punch. So the people of the ward elect. They do a election type of. They elect one representative known as the ward member of the punch. And what is the punch? Sorry, what is the ward? Ward is a parts of a village. These parts are called ward. Okay. I'm going to just make one of these. This is how the punch gets selected. I'm just going to make this in a very thick format. This is how the punch gets selected. Now you know how does the punch gets selected. He's a major part. They are the major part of the panchayat. So you need to know about them. Here you will also know that how does the sarpanch gets selected. So this whole is about how does a punch gets selected. If you've ever lived in a village, you will know about it. If you have not, then you can know about it in this video. So let's know about the sarpanch. What is this term sarpanch that we are hearing over here? Let's go over side. Here, I can explain. What happens is that one of the Gram Panchayat, you remember? Yes. One of the gram panchayat that happens. Oh, this one selects the one of the gram panchayat selects the sarpanch. So it is a direct election. Okay, or selection. That's why I said the members of the gram panchayat. Members. Okay, so I will. So adult are the members, huh? So I'm going to only write adults. Select the sarpanch. Select sarpanch. We also know sarpanch are the panchayat president, by the way. This whole sarpanch, gram panchayat, this that panchayat is very easy to learn because all of them are totally rhyming. Sarpanch, panch, gram panchayat, panchayat. So this is how does a panch get selected? How does the how does the how does the sarpanch get selected? Okay, so this is all about. Now I taught you that how does the panch and the sarpanches get selected. I'm just going to make this small a little bit because this is too big. Okay, 1 second. Okay, doesn't matter. So now we understood how does the sarpanch and the panch get selected. Now only one thing that I wanted to tell you, that a panchayat a panchayat governs for 5 years. Okay, so every one panchayat governs for 5 years. So like we have in India, the main government, the central government, rules for 5 years. After that, we have the election, selection, and everything. Okay, panchayat also governs for 5 years. It doesn't mean that the panchayati elections and selections will happen at the same time when the central government is getting selected. It can happen on different times. This is a very important point. Remember this. So let me just put it on a sticky note. Make a sticky note of this. This is a very important term actually. And I'm going to move this over. Okay, so what did we learn today? We learned that about gram panchayat. What is a term adult? We also learned about the panchayat. the parts of the panchayat, how they get selected, how they get selected, and we also learned that the panchayat governs for 5 years. Hope you understood everything. We also discussed about the hypothetical village of Palampur or Palam actually. This is not in your exams. Palam will not come in your exams. It was just for your understanding. There is one more. There are stories in your this chapter. This chapter is very small. There are stories of this chapter, so make sure to read them twice or thrice, maybe if they come in your exam, and you will understand everything. So let's now read everything. Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat is a meeting of all adult citizens of a village. They talk about major issues of the village. Panchayat. Panchayat. Panchayat has two parts, Sarpanch and Panch. And by the way, Panchayat is a small government which governs the village. Panchayat has two parts, Sarpanch and Panch. People of the ward select one representative known as the ward member or the Panch. Adults select the Sarpanch. Sarpanch is also known as the Panchayat President or the President of Panchayat. Panchayat governs for 5 years. Adult is a person who whose age is actually whose age is plus 18 or 18 plus. Hope you have got everything. Let me just minimize it. Yes. So this was the mind map of today's whatever we learned about the Palampur village. Till then, bye bye. Have fun with your life and make sure to read this chapter. This is a very important chapter. If you want to ask any doubts, you can ask me in the comments or in asklearntogether@gmail.com. Ask questions from learntogether@gmail.com. And learn together. Learn underscore together 70 is my Instagram account. The videos updates will be given there. Till then, bye bye and have fun.
The notes of this chapter are given below. Subscribe.